Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'll try to make you understand about artboard tool for which the shortcut key is Shift plus O. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's have a look at this, my friend. Let me make it smaller, or let me zoom it out. So the thing that I'm going to teach you is that you must be observing sort of a white area there. That must mean that that is sort of an area which you have to be working on this place, which you have to be working inside that of the area, which all of the colors are visible on that of the color, means white color. So this is known as artboard, or this is known as interface. So this is called artboard area, which you can design something, which you can play on it. So the first thing that I'm going to teach you is that there is an option which is known as artboard tool, for which the shortcut key is Shift plus O. So let me do it. Shift, hold the Shift button, make sure to press O button. So now we are good to go, and we've got there, and we have reached there. So we've got artboard tool there. For there are some of the options inside that of the tool, like custom. Like you may consider that sizes of artboard or size of artboard. Like for example, if I go for iPad, this is something that fits to iPad size, and let me go for this one. This is sort of a size which you can use. iPhone X, see, you can work on it, and you can take the size according to what you want. Maybe letter, which is sort of a simple one. Maybe A4 size, which is some sort of simple size which we can use in our computers, and we're good to go. And there is another option beside that of the options, like portrait. If you click on it, make sure to click on it. So we have got a page something like that, and if you click on that, so we have got interface something like that. And there is another option, new artboard. If I click there, so we have got the copy of that beside that of the artboard. See, one artboard 1, artboard 2. So this is something you can play. And there is another option which is known as delete artboard, which you can delete that out, and here you can name that, like for example DD. I have named that. And there are some of the more settings, like if I maybe click there and increase or decrease the size of that, maybe 300, hit enter. So we've got something like that. So make sure to click on this constraint width and height proportions. Make sure to click there, and this time make sure to give a size to that, 250, hit enter. So now we are good to go. 250, see, we are good to go. And these are sort of a values, so let me try that too. So I've got interface something like that. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Make sure to move that there by holding the space button, and click that and move that to right side. So if you want to get more of the options inside that of the artboard tool, make sure to double click on it. So I've got some of the settings there, like we've got the same sizes there which I have already taught you. Make sure to click there, display, show center mark, hit OK. So this is something which you can utilize sometimes when sometime it is needed. Make sure to double click there. Make sure to check the second one and check off the first one, hit OK. So I've got something like that. Make sure to double click on it, like show across hairs, so you can also benefit that. Let me use the third one, hit OK. So I've got something like that, that may say that show video save areas. So this is something you can work on it. Well, I think I want to personally go with none of them, because I don't really need that. So if I click there, see, have a look at this. This is something that is giving result like that. And there you can name whatever you want, like I have already taught you. See, you can name that. And if you want to take the copy of that, make sure to double click on artboard tool. Make sure to single click on artboard tool. Make sure to take the copy of that by holding the alt button there, and just drag that by holding the shift button there, and you're good to go, and you have taken the copy of that. Rearrange all columns to, hit OK. See, have a look at this. So this is what I have rearranged. If you want to go some steps back, make sure to hold the control or the command button and press Z button, then you're good to go and you can go back. So this is something I have taught you, my friend. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.